In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your investor password on MetaTrader 5. First, let's ensure that you are logged in and ready to make these changes without a hitch. Changing your investor password is crucial for maintaining security and managing access. So it's great that you're taking this important step. Start by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top menu bar and find View. Click on View and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides access to various windows that you can interact with, and for the task at hand, we'll need to access the Navigator. Next, within the drop-down menu, locate and click on Navigator. This action will open the Navigator window, usually docked on the left side of your MetaTrader 5 platform. The Navigator is a crucial part of MetaTrader 5 as it houses essential information like your trading accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. It serves as the main hub for much of your account management tasks and is where you'll be able to change your password. In the Navigator window, find the section labeled Accounts and expand it if necessary by clicking the small plus sign next to it. Here, you'll see a list of all the trading accounts you have access to on this platform. Locate your primary trading account within the list. It's usually pretty easy to spot, but make sure you select the correct account to avoid any confusion. Once you've found your trading account, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to account management. From the list of options, find and click on Change Password. This action will bring up the password change window where you will make the necessary adjustments. Inside the password change window, you'll be prompted to enter your current master password. This step is vital for security reasons, as it ensures that only the account holder or someone authorized can make changes to the password settings. Enter your master password carefully to avoid any errors. After successfully entering your current password, you will be able to create your new investor password. Go ahead and type in the new investor password you've chosen. Remember, a good password should be strong, unique, and something you'll remember easily with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. To confirm this new password, you need to enter it again in the confirmation field. Double check that both entries match to avoid any issues moving forward. Matching passwords are crucial and ensure that you can access your account seamlessly in the future. Finally, with all the fields correctly filled out, you can proceed by clicking OK to save the changes. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your investor password has been successfully updated. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change your investor password on MetaTrader 5. This simple yet essential task will help keep your trading account safe and secure. Remember to periodically update your passwords as a good security practice. Thanks for watching and keep your trading secure.